Turbo 3 cash machine. I'm going to say this and I'm going to say it real fast and I'm going to take my time, and I just want you to understand that passive income is where it's at. Um, Made for you in 2017. Do it now and it will secure your future. Let's imagine getting automatic payments on a passive website of multiple $3 payments on autopilot. What exactly are you getting? That's the thing that people are trying to ask. You're getting your own website. A website set up just like this, and you're getting the reseller rights to it. For $3, you have this automated website, no hosting fees, no additional costs, just a one-time $3 payment, and you're basically just, let's imagine doing in 30 days 1,297 sales. That's additional $3,891. And like I say, it's so simple. It's basically you connect it to your PayPal account, and $3 goes into your PayPal account instantly. All you have to do is copy and paste your link and earn loads of money. This is not one of those expensive softwares or anything like that. Ongoing costs, none for the website, none of that. It's just a one-time payment for the website, and everything is taken care of for you. The hosting is taken care of for you. It's pure profit. Like I said, you can be in profit within your first 24 hours. Heck, you might even say your first 15 minutes. If someone understands the value, it is definitely there for you, and all you have to do is post in different places on social media, and people will click on it, interested in the Turbo 3 cash machine, click add to cart, and let's say they have a matrix saying, what if you were doing 5 sales per day? That's an extra $15 a day, and that's an extra $450 a month. Go down to say 30 of them a day, that's $90 a day, that's $2,700 a month. Now, the sky's the limit, and this can be done with only taking about 30 minutes per day of work, and it's very easy to set up. And like I said, once it's set up, it's there. The website is never taken down, and you make your money every time someone sees the value in this website. Turbo 3 Cash Machine. Get yours today and start earning passive income with this website. Thank you very much.